So the company Level 8 Cases sent us a few cases in exchange for our honest review. What do we have here?
Today we're looking at the Gibraltar, a 20-inch aluminum carry-on, and the Voyageur 26-inch, a check-in case constructed from German-made Macrolon polycarbonate.
We took these cases on a recent road trip and we have some initial impressions.
Hey y'all, we're Aaron and Todd.
Welcome to our channel about travel hacking, and van life. We hope that through our journeys we inspire you to get out of your backyard to see the world on the cheap and sometimes free. If you like the sounds of that, then please subscribe.
Okay, oh my god.
I was all good until then.
With our big around the world honeymoon trip coming in just a few weeks, we wanted to get a feel for these cases. Stick around to the end of the video to see not only which one of these cases we chose to take on our around the world honeymoon trip, but also to get a dedicated link and a discount code just for our subscribers so you can save a little bank and get a Level 8 case of your very own.
First, let's look at the exterior. Both cases have TSA approved locks built in. Set your combination and go. Just don't forget your combination. On the sides of both cases are these rubber feet so that you can lay your suitcase down and protect the exterior from scratches. Both cases feature ultra quiet 360-degree spinner wheels made of heavy-duty polycarbonate and rubber. You guys, these wheels glide right over pavement. Both cases feature an adjustable trolley handle and also have grab handles on each side. Now let's break down some of the exterior features specific to each case. The Gibraltar is made of aerospace-grade aluminum magnesium alloy with German-made Macrolon polycarbonate accents. The TSA lock mechanism grabs both sides of the case and pulls them together. Also, about the TSA lock, you have to access the inside of the lock housing to change the combination. I like this thoughtful security feature. There's a rubber gasket that lines one side of the case and it sits down into a channel, so I'm pretty sure this is going to be highly water resistant on the inside. The Gibraltar has slow release handles on the top and the side. This case is designed to comply with the smaller European carry-on requirement. On Level 8's website, they actually list out all of the airlines and their carry-on restrictions and sizes. The Gibraltar from Level 8 will fit, just don't overstuff it and make it too heavy. Speaking of weight, the Gibraltar weighs in at about 10 pounds empty, has a 36-liter capacity, and comes in this beautiful silver or also in gray. Moving on to the Voyageur, this case comes in 3 different sizes. A 20-inch carry-on, this 26-inch, and then a larger 28-inch, with multiple colors available. This line also is available to be bought as a set, and the smaller cases nest inside the larger cases. Change how you pack with this unique wide trolley system. With more room and not having to pack around the trolley handles running down the center of your case, this innovative handle design gives you space to pack flat. The wide grab handle is sturdy, made of aluminum alloy, and telescopes up for stability when pushing or pulling the case. This is important when the bag weighs nearly 50 pounds when it's full of our stuff. The case is made to endure with a German-made Macrolon polycarbonate featuring a 3-layer design. The micro diamond finish provides for a refined, resilient exterior.
The big one here still fits perfectly on a step.
The Voyageur 26 comes in at 11.8 pounds empty, has a capacity of 93 liters inside, and as stated previously, comes in a variety of colors. You can purchase the Voyageur as a bundle and save up to $60. Use their link in the description below to visit Level 8's website. Moving on to the interior features, it's pretty standard luggage fare with mesh divider pockets for easy organization and plenty of places to hide the all-important AirTag. Specific to the Gibraltar are removable dividers, a unique hook and loop strap system, and each Gibraltar includes a complimentary set of Level 8 branded packing cubes, a $50 value. The Voyager's interior will greet you with the standard compression system for secure stowing,
Deep pockets.
a wet-dry pocket for that damp bathing suit.
It doesn't feel super flimsy for how big of a bag it is. I like the 60-40 split to this suitcase.
To store taller items like boots.
It's bleached out. It looks like it's the door. I see a giant white blob. Blobbity, blobbity, blob. Right there. It looks like a giant white blob.
Okay.
Pros and cons, our initial impressions. The one thing that I would like to see is this is a carry-on bag and it's a little small. And I understand that it's meant for like European airlines and to fit in the overhead, but we typically like something a little bit bigger. Should I say that?
If that's what you like. They're asking for your honest review. With the Gibraltar aluminum, the inside, the clips for the divider here just seem rather loose and easy to pop off. And then it has this snap feature to where you can just pull it all the way out. I'm not really digging the snap feature.
So let me expand on that. I kind of agree with Aaron there. I like the fact that it can be removed, and I think that's what they were going for. However, the snaps aren't very strong. It's not going to take a lot for those to snap off. So, I don't know, maybe zips instead of snaps.
However, I do like that with the aluminum suitcase, they do include this wonderful packing cubes. These are just packing cubes. They are not compression, and it's also has this fun little Velcro spot. They give these little patches that you can put on the bag of what the items are. So I do like that. My biggest con is this dang dust cover they sent. It does not feel very good quality.
Leave us a comment down below if you actually store your luggage in the luggage protector, or do you use it as like a laundry bag?
I'm very butthurt about this dust coverage bag.
But be honest, out of all the dust covers we have, how many of them are actually on our suitcases?
Does not matter. Oh! This big boy over here, we have the Voyager. The insides, I'm not impressed with the material. As simple and as silly as that may be.
It's kind of like a felty kind of material.
I feel like it may rip easy or snag. Bam! And then an easy to pull way to tighten. I do like that. Another feature I'm very happy with. Look at how large this handle is. It goes the whole length of the suitcase. I do have to say, pushing it was a lot easier than my other travel bag. So an added perk with having such a large handle, the inside has a flat surface area and your rails are at the edges versus being in the middle. Makes it a lot easier to pack. Makes it a lot easier to pack your items.
So now the moment that you've all been waiting for. If you guys know us, you know that we have one particular brand of luggage that we love and cherish so very much that we were planning to take on this epic honeymoon around the world adventure.
But then we had this wonderful company, Level8, reach out to us for a collaboration. So for our big around the world honeymoon trip, we're taking both of our brand new Level8 travel cases.
And even though this is a carry-on, we will be checking both cases. So we will see how this aluminum frame stands up to the abuse of being checked in the cargo hold of an airline, and we'll have an update in the future for that. So thank you, Level 8, for reaching out and doing this collaboration with us.
Thanks for believing in us.
And if you guys are interested in getting a Level 8 case of your very own, link is in the description down below. And
use Aaron and Todd 10 at checkout to save 10%.
we do have to say that it is an affiliate link. We do have to disclaim that, and we do receive a small commission from your sale, and so we appreciate you supporting our small channel by using our link from Level 8, as well as any of the other links that are in the descriptions of any of our videos. Now that you've seen these awesome luggage solutions from Level 8 cases,
Watch this video next for our most cherished
travel accessories to put in your Level 8 cases. See you in the next one.